Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm showing you guys two of my new 1 to 200 scale Northwest Airlines aircraft here. I purchased this one on the right from the Texan Airplane Store at the Orlando Collectible Show, and this one on the left here, the A320 here, is from the A320 on the left here is from the Sky's the Limit models here. They're also at the show. Go check them out. Link them below, guys. Let's go ahead and open these boxes here. Super cool. All right, guys, and here we have the Starjets Northwest Airlines A320. Look at that. Super cool. Not as detailed as, obviously, like a Gemini Jets aircraft, but still pretty cool. Gets the point across, especially for, like, the bowling shoe liveries, too. I know there's not many of these around nowadays, so really light. It's like plastic feel. So do with that as you will. Seems like it's pretty delicate here, though. But yeah, guys, there's a nice shot of that there. Now let's get into the 747 here. All right, guys, and here we have the Northwest Airlines 747-400 here. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right, guys, moment of truth. I did take a look at it quickly at the collectible show, but let's take a look here. Wow, look at that. Super scale, of course. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. Wow, yeah, this thing is like metal, like as you would expect. So very heavy here. Let me get it out. Everybody, here it is in all its glory here. All right, everybody, here it is in all its glory. Love the look of these wings. Key details on the front here, as you can see. Nice blend of color here. Wow, guys, just look at that. I've flown on these probably 2 or 3 times when I was a little boy. Super cool. Engines also have nice spirals, and I did blow in them, and they actually do they do spin. They do spin with air going through them, so that's pretty cool. Super detailed airplane here, of course. I'm going to be doing a, I'm going to get a, my little 1 to 400s part I have from Layover Layouts of Minneapolis G-Gates. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have that resized to 1 to 200, and I'm going to have a 1 to 200 terminal made for me of that section by Andy at Tarmac Designs. So that's what's going to happen there. And then I'll be able to have a little Northwest nostalgic section there and for the 1 to 200 scale. So that'll be nice to have and display for myself and you guys. This thing is obviously very heavy here. If you guys have 1 to 200, you know what it's like, especially for these wide bodies. This is a big plane, guys. And yes, this is my first 747 ever in actual scale 1 to 200. So I do have a Delta 767-300ER with the winglets. It's like a 2010 version, and Hawaiian E330-200, and the new livery. Wow, guys, look at the landing gear. You know, I don't quite know how to judge today on this, guys, just because, 1, this is such a nostalgic plane. 2, it's a little bit older. And 3, I haven't collected too much 1 to 200, so, you know, I'm kind of new to the 1 to 200 game, but I will say that this fits my needs. It's super cool. Lots of scale detail too. Antennas. It's an older plane, so you probably don't really have like a Wi-Fi dome, just because at the time, Northwest Airlines, you know, was before smartphones, really, I believe. So, obviously, so. But yeah, super cool plane here. Let's get a good shot of the front here. And I'm actually going to put it on the stand for you guys too, so you guys can see it on the stand as well. Yeah, it's going to look even better, not on my Salt Lake City layout here, but the, oops, sorry guys, but on my Minneapolis layout. Now I got to get a 1 to 200 scale Minneapolis control tower, guys. So I'll definitely be purchasing one of those very soon too as well. All right guys, and here it is on the stand. Northwest 747, 1 to 200 scale. Absolutely iconic, guys. All right guys, and that just about wraps it up for today's video, showing you guys both these iconic Northwest Airlines Boeing shoe livery airplanes. Stay tuned for more on the Minneapolis layout here. 1 to 400 scale and 1 to 200 scale. Super cool, guys. We will not stop with the Boeing shoe livery collecting here, so stay tuned. A lot more to come in the near future. But until next time, guys, I wish you guys happy collecting. We'll see you in the next video.